Alright, so of course first you gotta take off the tire. Sometimes you gotta hit it with a hammer. Alright, first thing you gotta do, you gotta get this clip off. You can take a flathead, or I use a pry bar. You want to put your, try to keep your hand in front of it or hold on to it and push it back, and it slides out. Alright, so now we come, whatever way you want to do it. I like to compress the caliper piston with the pry bar before I take it off. These brakes are very easy and simple to do. It's not too much to it. So I'll slide the pry bar in, get it out like that. So now there's two 18 mil bolts, one here and one on the bottom. You're gonna take the bracket and caliper off together. So what I do is I break them loose. Get my little battery ratchet with a swivel 18. Caliper comes off. Alright, so we got the caliper off. See? You take the caliper and the caliper bracket off by just taking the two 18 mils off. It's easy. All you do is slide the old pads out. So what I like to do is, look, watch this. So the bracket will just slide out just like that. So what I like to do is get some anti-seize, put a little bit on the sliding pins, because I've seen these things where they rust up and it doesn't move when you're hitting the brake and it gets locked up. So I put some anti-seize on it. You slide the brake caliper back in. Now you're ready to put your new brakes on. So we get the new pads. What I like to do with this is kind of like bend this in a little bit so it goes inside the piston. So all you do is slide the new pad in, put this one on the outside, and just like that, the pads are changed. So now you can put everything back on. Get your bolts back in. Your two 18 mils, tighten them up. Snug it down. The pad kit should come with new clips. I wanted to do rotors, but the customer declined them, so get your new clip, slide it in, just like that. That's how you can wear pads on the Grand Cherokee WK, because the L's are newer and they're different. They have an electronic park brake that you have to release before you do the rear pads. I'll show you guys how to do that in another video, or if you got questions and comment, I can tell you how to do it. But that's how you pad. This is how you do rear pads on the Grand Cherokee. And I believe from 11 all the way to 21, 22 WK, it's the same procedure. You have to do the same thing. So nothing has changed. So now you just do the other side the same way you did it, and you got rear pads on.